Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Meron tayo ngayong pasalamatan or nagbigay kasi siya ng super thanks. So, ito yung channel niya, si Drone from Life. Drone from Life. Okay. This is his new video. Ito yung bagong video ni Drone for Life. Okay. Tsaka, while watching the video, kain tayo. Meron tayo ditong kuhan, okoy. Shrimp with flour, deep fried, with soy sauce and vinegar and chili. We have also Pinoy biscuits and the famous Japanese tea, and also rice. Okay, this is the video of ito pala yung channel niya, si John from Live. Ito. So thank you very much, Mr. My friend Drone from Life. I'm watching your video now, your latest video, this one. Has redeemed Drone from Life. You know. So, like to thank you, Mr. My friend, okay, for giving me this one, €5. So, thank you very much, my friend. Ito yung video niya. Awesome video. So, while watching his video, at saka we have to thank Mr. Drone from Life. We have my wife prepared okoy. It's an shrimp with flour, deep fried. Yun, sarap yan. So, what's tayo ng second video niya mamaya? No, hindi pa napatapos. Mag-shout out muna tayo guys. Ito pala yung kang Ma'am Fatima. Sorry. Reply ako sa kanya ng, I think this is 4 hours video. 4 hours and 50 minutes. Okay. I would like to inform everyone that I'm helping Ma'am Fatima. Also, everyone, but priority kasi Ma'am Fatima kasi what's our kasi niya. At saka si Living After 50s. At saka si yung isa si hindi ko kabisado yung kuan. Ito pala si nagpi-play din ako kay Pink 96 Lover para kuan sila, ma-monetize. Kasi natural si Ma'am Fatima kasi kuan ko siya. Member ko siya sa YouTube. So, si Drone from Life and Ma'am Fatima, yung dalawa ko silang membro ng YouTube channel ko. Kaya piniplay ko sila palagi. Ito si Drone. I always played Drone from Life. Share, play. Ayan. Pag membro ko, I will always visit their channel and play their video. Ito, hindi ko sila membro, pero palagi silang nag-visit sa channel ko. Yan, tapos na si Drone from Life. So, ito yung kuha niya, isa pang kuha niya, video. Mamaya, naglo-loading pa. Loading pa. So, set out muna tayo kay Pink 96 Lover. Saka si Living After 50s. Yan. Lagi ko nang piniplay sila para kuha sila monetize. At saka si natural, si Ma'am Fatima. Yan. So, huwag kalimutan din i-shout out si ang idolo nating lahat sa magaling magpiano, si Ma'am Shen. At saka si John from Life, not si Fritz. That's John from Life. Eating and watching videos tayo yan. Part 1 lang to. So, ito yung bagong video ni Ma'am Ma'am Shen, piano. Lighthouse Keeper. Okay. May konti. Shout out din tayo sa ibang YT content. YT friends. Yeah, YouTube friends. Galing ni ko, no? Drunk from Life. So, thank you very much for the super thanks. That's a big help for my channel. I will keep on uploading videos and that would help my channel. And then, monetize, and then yung sa iba na play ko pala yung kay John araw-araw. Pero yung iba, hindi ko membro. I-play ko din kayo. Lalo na silang Carl, si Ma'am Honey Home, yan. Palagi ko yung play. Okay. Kain man tayo. Let's eat muna. Play mo ako ng isang video ni Ma'am Shen. Yan. So, video to ni Ma'am Shen. Ay, hindi. May ads yan. Sa kabila, nagpi-play ako kay para ma-shout out na rin natin siya. Si Sarah Mix Vlog. Shout out mo. So, I'm playing your video now. Then, sa kabila naman, ito, may ads siya. May ads pa siya si Kuan. Si Mer Food. Yata. So, yan. Mer Foods Cooking. Yan. Shout out. And while watching Mr. Drunk from Life, ito so ito na yung video ni Ma'am Shen. Lighthouse Keeper, yan. Huwag din kalimutan guys so let's test the recipe of my wife. Bite size lang ha, para hindi tayo magkahirap-hirap pagkain. Yan. Let's try my wife's recipe. Okoy. Awesome. Sarap. So, next time tayo guys. Meron tayo i-picture sunod. Ayan. John from Life. Shout out.